Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella's declaration that 2026 will mark AI's transition from research to real-world deployment, Microsoft's internal restructuring to reduce dependence on OpenAI, and the growing attention on AI safety researchers who are raising concerns about catastrophic risks as capabilities continue to advance. Satya Nadella made headlines with a statement that frames the coming year as a major turning point for the entire industry. According to Nadella, AI is moving from discovery to diffusion. That simple phrase captures a significant shift in how one of the largest technology companies on the planet is thinking about its AI strategy. Rather than focusing primarily on achieving the next breakthrough in model capabilities, Microsoft is now putting its energy into getting AI tools into the hands of businesses and workers at scale. The emphasis here is on deployment, on integrating AI into actual workflows, and on delivering measurable value to enterprises. Nadella is essentially saying that the research phase, while far from over, is no longer the primary driver. The challenge now is figuring out how to make all of this technology useful in everyday business operations. This aligns with everything Microsoft has been building toward with its Copilot products and its broader platform strategy. Instead of chasing frontier model races, the company seems to be betting that the real competitive advantage lies in execution and adoption. For businesses watching the AI space and wondering when this technology will actually transform how they operate, Nadella is signaling that 2026 is the year it starts happening at scale. This strategic vision is being backed up by some notable organizational changes within Microsoft. Reports from late December indicate that the company is deepening an AI leadership overhaul that has been underway for several months. The most interesting aspect of this restructuring is how it positions Microsoft relative to OpenAI. While the partnership between the two companies remains intact, Microsoft is clearly working to reduce its dependence on any single external lab. The CoreAI unit within Microsoft has been given increased autonomy and a bigger budget to develop in-house models, tooling, and infrastructure. This is a hedge, and a smart one. By building out its own capabilities while maintaining the OpenAI relationship, Microsoft creates optionality for itself. Financial Times analysis described Nadella as operating in founder mode to accelerate AI execution, suggesting he is taking a hands-on approach to ensure the company moves quickly. Weekly internal AI reviews have reportedly been instituted, which gives you a sense of just how seriously leadership is treating this moment. The restructuring reflects a maturation of Microsoft's AI strategy, moving from heavy reliance on a partner to a more balanced approach where internal teams can drive innovation independently. Shifting gears to a different corner of the AI world, safety researchers focused on catastrophic risks are gaining renewed attention as models continue to become more capable. A report highlighted the work of researchers based in Berkeley, who are focused on scenarios involving deception, loss of control, and misalignment between AI systems and human intentions. Groups like METR and Redwood Research have been doing this work for years, but their concerns are increasingly being referenced by the very labs building frontier models. The Guardian report noted fears among these researchers of AI systems becoming deceptive and uncontrollable. Now, this might sound alarmist, but the researchers involved are serious academics and technologists who are trying to solve real technical problems. Their focus is on governance and on ensuring that deployment of powerful systems happens responsibly. As models scale and become more capable, the questions these researchers are asking become more urgent. How do you ensure an AI system does what you actually want it to do? How do you verify that it is being honest about its reasoning? These are not hypothetical concerns for some distant future. They are active research problems that labs are grappling with right now. The renewed attention on this community reflects a broader acknowledgement that capability gains need to be matched with progress on safety and alignment. What ties these stories together is a sense that the AI field is entering a new phase. The emphasis is shifting from pure capability development toward the harder work of deployment, governance, and ensuring these systems are trustworthy enough to use at scale. Microsoft is positioning itself to lead in enterprise adoption while building internal resilience. Safety researchers are pushing for the kind of careful thinking that will be essential as these tools become more integrated into critical systems. The excitement around AI remains justified, but it is now being accompanied by a growing sophistication about what it takes to turn powerful technology into something genuinely useful and safe. That combination of ambition and responsibility is exactly what the field needs as it moves into 2026. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.